Let's make another project with this dish mat from Dollar Tree. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I have this little zipper, got it at Walmart, got a little zipper pull. Can't remember, I think it was Amazon. And this is the dish mat. We made a project with it yesterday. Now we're gonna use the excess. So I have like a rectangle, and it can be any size. This rectangle is just, I didn't even measure it. It's just what we had left. And I'm going to put face down our zipper on top of the pretty side of our fabric and then sew it. Now we're going to fold up our fabric, and again we're putting pretty side to the zipper, okay? And we're going to pin that. Ta-da! Zip, and then we're going to go and sew that. Now make sure your zipper is open at this point. And we're going to connect the two sides. So all I'm doing here is just making sure that my zipper is behaving and making sure, like clipping it just so it stays still. And then I'm going to just easy peasy. This is such an easy project, friends. We're just going to sew each side. And again, make sure your zipper's open when you do this. There it is, okay? Now, you could stop right there. Again, easy project, like crazy pants easy. I cut the excess of the zipper off, but this is such a like beginner sewer project, and oh, so much fun. And again, this is why you keep that zipper open so that you can turn your bag out. And again, you could stop right here and just make this cute little bag. You could use it for change. You could make them bigger, smaller, whatever. And it's very forgiving. So all I'm doing here is just turning it right side out and then zipping it so that you can see how cute, right? Look at adorable. Such an adorable little purse. Is it perfect? No. Do I care? Also no. It's done and I like that. So there's that. But I decided to turn it back inside out, and I'm going to box the corners on the inside so that it almost flares out at the bottom. So all I'm doing is pulling apart at the corners. Just pull that part. And then you're going to put clips on it just so that it stays still. And then we're just going to sew right across that corner, that triangle, just sew it on both sides. It's like, I've seen a lot of different tutorials on how to do boxed corners, and this one is by far my favorite. Like, I like this one because it's easy. Done. So then we do that. Perfect. I just cut off the excess. I suppose you don't have to, but I did. I cut the excess off. These are awesome too. If you made big ones, you could make like iPad covers, like little holders for them. Not holders, but you know, like a zipper pouch that you could carry, a travel case for your iPad. And I turn it inside right, and there's our little bag with its little boxed edges or corners. Look at how cute it is. I love it. And I love this pattern. And it's from the Dollar Tree, so hello. So then I went and put that little zipper pull on. You don't have to use a zipper pull, but this is mighty cute. I mean, come on. You could put like a tassel on it, whatever you want, but look at how cute it is. I love it. And of course, all of my children are fighting over who gets it. It's mine. I get it for once. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you. Now it's your turn. Go make something pretty.